Yahweh Sabaoth. I know you like the song, but sing it intentionally. While you sing, can we have Psalm 68, verse 24, New Living Translation? The Lord of the King of Zion. 68, verse 24. The Lord of hosts. The King of glory. We're going to sing it one more time. But let me show you something. Your procession has come into view, O King. The procession of my God and King as he goes into the sanctuary. This is how God rolls. Just to let you know what happens when we sing and glorify him. This is the protocol of God. How does he go into the sanctuary? Verse 25. Singers are in front, musicians behind. Between them are young women playing tambourines. This is how God rolls. Can you lift your voice and declare, the Lord of hosts, the King, Yahweh, Yahweh, Sabaoth, Yahweh. Only the sisters now. The Lord of hosts. All the brothers just roar. Oh, the Lord of hosts, the Lord of hosts, the King of Zion. Yahweh. Everybody, one more time, softly. The Lord of hosts, the Lord, the King. Just thank him. In the next few minutes, we'll be just raising a sound of gratitude and thanksgiving. A few hymns, just thanking him for the plethora of miracles we saw here this morning. Thanksgiving multiplies. Would you please lift your hands and just thank him? We're about to raise an incense right now. Thank him. Thank him. Thank him. And then we'll get into a time of That's right. Sing, great is thy faithfulness, and great is thy faithfulness. Oh, great. That's right. Faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercy I see. All I have needed. Something is about to break forth in this room now. Great is thy faith. Summer and winter, and summer and winter, springtime and harvest, sun, moon, and stars in the courses above, they join with all nature in manifold witness to thy great faithfulness, mercy and love. Sound of revival, singing the rain. Oh, it is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercy I see. All I have needed and provided grace. The chorus one more time. Pardon for sin. Pardon for sin. And peace that adore. Night on strength for today and bright hope for blessings on mine and 10,000 sound of revival singing great is thy faithfulness. Oh, great is thy faithfulness. Morning, new mercy I see. Now thank we all our God. And now thank we all God with hearts and hands and voices, who wondrous things, that's right, has done, in whom this world rejoice, who from our mother's heart and blessed us on our way with countless gifts of love, and still His heart to pay. Oh, may His bounties go. Oh, may His bounties go through all our life. Be near us, be ever joyful, and blessed to Jesus, and keep us and guide us. All the sisters alone, all praise and thanks to God. Brothers now. The sword and evil raised, everybody down. The one eternal I know a God whose mercy and kind, faithful and gracious. I'm the apple of His eyes, the thought that fills His heart every morning, noon and night. He loved me when I didn't care about Him, and was patient till I came, running back into His arms. Ooh. Look how He's turned my life around. Shining star, His glory to reveal. I will worship you forever, Lord, forever. Remember what we were taught yesterday? I will worship you forever, love him forever, because this God is too good. Yesterday I said to my wife, babe, I still remember when Apostle called me on the phone and shared this vision of Sound of Revival. I said I was outside and it seemed like a grand vision. And I said to her, can you see what God has done? Can you see what the Lord has done? Can you see? Can you see? And that takes me to the next verse. Don't look too far to see how good it is. Just look at Apostle Joshua Selman. He picked you from Jos and Zaria. Set your feet upon the rock to stay. Can you see his many a sign and wonder? He took away your sin and shame, gave you a brand new name. He's beloved and the redeemed. Look how he turned, he flipped his life around, made him a sign and a wonder. His glory to reveal. I will worship him forever, love him forever, because this God is too good. I will worship him, I will worship him forever, love him forever, because this God is too good. Now get a neighbor and sing that verse to them. Don't look too far to see how good it is. Just look at me, Nathaniel Bassey. He took me from the mountain, set my feet upon the rock. I'm standing in his righteousness. Oh, he took away my sin and shame, gave me a brand new name, Jehovah. He's beloved and the redeemed. Look how he turned my life around. He made me a sign and a wonder. His glory to reveal. Say, Imela, 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 oh Kaka, oh Yekeru, Imela, 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 my secret is thanksgiving. Oh. When I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness each day, I'm convinced it's not because I am worthy to receive the kind of love that you give. But I'm grateful for your mercy, and I'm grateful for your grace. And because of how you poured out yourself, I have come to sing this song out in praise. It simply says, Amen. Oh, Kaka, oh, forever sing your Now this is the good news. Hey, for the sacrifice of Calvary is the only holy reason. Is the reason I can cry out today. Now, can I give you 30 seconds with your hands lifted? Fill this room with your words. Fill this room with your words. Thank you. Fill this room with your words. I was going to go into a time of high praise, but I'm going to leave that till the 10 minutes where we'll have Jehovah Nissi and the rest of them. But I feel a spirit of gratitude. Oh, in the room. Oh, oh, open your mouth, Koinonia. Open your mouth, sound of revival. Oh, oh, Yahweh, Sebakoyim. is good. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endureth. Oh, God, oh, for the Lord is good. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endureth forever. When we lift our hands to the great who was and who is and is. With your hands lifted to the heavens, we lift our hands to the great who compares with you. One more time with your voices raised and your hands lifted to the heavens. Sing it. We lift our hands to the great I am, who was